Struggling to connect your coaxial cable behind a wall-mounted TV? The 90-degree angle coaxial cable adapter is designed exactly for that tight space where traditional cables just won't fit. This adapter lets you run your RG59 or RG6 F-type cables smoothly without stressing the connection or the cable itself. Why does that matter? Bending cables sharply can damage them over time and cause signal loss. With this right-angle design, you prevent long-term damage and maintain crystal-clear audio and video quality. It's a simple solution that protects your setup and keeps your channels coming in strong. Installation couldn't be easier. The screw-on male-to-female connector lets you attach or detach cables quickly, no tools, no hassle. Whether you're upgrading one TV or outfitting multiple rooms, this adapter saves you time and frustration during setup. I tested this adapter myself when my wall-mounted TV's cable connection was nearly impossible to reach. After installing it, I ran my antenna scan and doubled the number of available channels, all with clear reception. It worked so well, I bought a 10-pack to use on every TV in the house. If your TV sits flush against the wall and there's no room to twist a coax cable, this adapter is the only practical option. It lets you push the cable in firmly without risking damage or a loose connection. That means fewer interruptions and better picture quality. Compatible with all standard RG59 and RG6 F-type coaxial cables, this adapter fits seamlessly into your existing setup. No need to replace cables or buy special equipment. Just add this small, smart piece and enjoy hassle-free connections. If you're tired of struggling with awkward cable angles and weak signals, this right-angle coaxial adapter is worth a look. It solves a common problem with a simple, durable design that lasts. Ready to simplify your TV setup and improve your signal quality? Try the 90-degree coaxial cable adapter when you're ready. It's a straightforward upgrade that delivers clear benefits every time you connect.